The fact that he is going to arrest me is against my legal right.
It's not.
It is against my legal right because I'm not doing anything.
You are. So we got a call about somebody.
What are you talking about?
On May 12, 2024, at approximately 1:46 a.m., officers with the Rockledge Police Department responded to a hotel after receiving reports of a disruptive guest. According to dispatch information, hotel staff reported that an intoxicated man had been causing disturbances and creating problems with other guests on the property. Upon arrival, officers located the individual in the parking lot area of the hotel. The man was later identified as Diego. Investigators stated that officers attempted to speak with him regarding the complaints and determine his status as a hotel guest. The interaction that followed was captured on police body-worn cameras.
So we got a call, that's why I'm here.
No, sir.
Well, it wasn't from you, it was from somebody else. But
What call are you talking about?
well, something about.
No, sir.
Well, you could ask me a question, not let me answer.
Alright, I was just telling you, sir.
Like, do you-
Whatever you call about,
You guys all stay here?
it's not. Yes, sir. But, right here, this is young man.
You what? Are you staying here at the hotel?
Yeah.
No. Hey,
We're just hanging out the whole time, right here at the curb.
okay, but
And,
are you a guest here at the hotel?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We're already guests at this hotel. And
Yo, come on. I am a guest there.
it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
He is removed from the property.
That's all right.
Here, stay right here for a minute. I'm talking to you. What room are you staying in?
What?
What room do you stay in?
314.
He went with me. He went with me.
Yeah. What are you talking about, man?
I get that, but
Are you talking about in a sexual manner?
no.
Is that what you're talking about?
I'm asking.
Are you talking
what
about
room
a
you here?
No, you're talking about a manner. That's what we're talking about?
No.
No, okay. That's not what we're talking about.
Okay. So,
The
listen-
manner that we're talking about.
can you listen to the things that I'm telling you?
No.
Because you're not listening. So,
I understand.
No.
Look.
what room are you
Give
staying in?
me
here?
a second. Give me a second. You see that man right there? He's not talking about a sexual manner. The man's going on
No,
there.
a single person here said anything. So, or a
But
single manner.
the way you coming to me
Is because
it's like I'm trying to be attacked. Actually, okay?
You what?
We're not being attacked.
Stay.
He worked with me.
That's okay.
Okay, but
And my partner, we worked with me.
what room here are you staying in?
314, man.
314. Was that
Yeah.
hard?
But the way you're coming at me,
No,
As a-
shut up, bro. Shut up.
I'm being attacked.
That's very weird and
That's
awkward,
not-
but you
no,
somehow
no.
got that. So listen to what I'm saying. So you stay here
now.
at 314.
Yes.
So you stay here. How long have you been staying here?
More than a week.
Okay.
Our company,
And it's
our
not.
company
It's not.
paid
It's
for
not
it.
that type of. It's not that type of deal.
We come in. We supposed to start working on Tuesday.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Well, why are you coming at me?
No, shut the fuck up, bro.
because once for the third time that I'm saying this, we got a complaint that
All right.
you're too intoxicated by
Okay.
yourself out back here.
We're not gonna be intoxicated no more.
So listen to what I'm saying.
Okay.
They don't want you to stay here anymore because you're causing problems.
But this is
All
my
right.
partner.
Well, I'm gonna tell my partner.
I get that.
We're not
but
gonna
listen.
We're not gonna start that shit.
Listen to what I'm saying.
I
okay?
get you. But we're not doing
We're-
anything. That's what
Yeah, that
you
came out
came
of
up to
nowhere.
me
So
like I was saying, trying to do something. That's the way I would be arrested.
do you have your ID with you?
Yes.
Where's it at?
It's upstairs in my room.
It's upstairs in your room.
Yes.
Okay. What are you got? Do you have an ID out of Florida or another state?
I'm just gonna let you know. I got a lawyer.
That's fantastic. Once again,
If you want to talk to my lawyer
once again,
before you talk to
what's
me
your name?
for representation,
What's your friend's name?
you're not gonna represent me. No, you're not. You're not. You're not gonna talk to me
Okay.
before
you
you're
have
gonna
about
represent.
2 seconds to give me the information I'm asking you.
Are you okay? Okay, Roger, man. I want to give you all the information that you want to be satisfied with. Okay.
What room is it?
314.
Okay.
So
But you're not gonna accost me.
I'm about to put you in cuffs if you don't stop your shit.
You're not gonna put me in cuffs
We need your name.
because I will put my lawyer on you.
We need your
It's not gonna happen. I will. This is. I'm telling you, my will. I am gonna talk to you.
They don't want him to stay here anymore, so that's not an option.
I'm not doing anything here.
Listen to me. Because you're having a really hard time because of how much you've drank to listen to me.
No. It's just the thing is, I understand what you're saying. But in the manner that you're coming at me, it's not. I have not done anything wrong. Okay, so I'm gonna get my lawyer.
Are you guys just in town for work or something?
You want to give me my lawyer?
Yes, sir.
You want to get my
I don't
lawyer?
give you a lawyer. But I'm telling you right now,
My lawyer, right?
GDS.
you're
Yeah, I give a
intoxicated
shit
to the point
about
where
lawyer.
you're about to go somewhere.
This boy, you're bro. You're bro. You should have said you're gonna give a shit. about my lawyer.
Let me handle it.
So
Let me
we're-
handle it.
we're
Let me
just
handle
That's
it.
what he said.
Let me
That's
handle
what he
it.
said
Let me
though.
handle it. Let me
He don't
handle
give a shit about my lawyer.
Let me handle it.
He don't give a shit about my
Hold on,
lawyer.
Dick.
He said he don't give a shit about my lawyer.
I know you got.
That's what he
Hold
said.
on, Diego. Hold on.
That's what he said.
Hold on.
He don't give a shit about my lawyer.
You just
I'm sorry, but that's my bro.
I know.
But he said he don't give a shit about my
I
lawyer.
know. Hold on, man.
That's what he told
Bring
me.
it down, man.
That's what he told me.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get my lawyer.
Do you know why we're talking to you?
Yes.
Why?
Yes, because I have been alcoholized, and my friends told me to go inside.
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah, that's why it is. That's what it is.
So the hotel's not wanting you here anymore. Is a problem.
Yeah, that's not what the hotel said.
That's what they're telling
my,
us.
my friend told me
That's what they're telling
that
us.
we're gonna go inside to perimeters that they talked about
Well, so the hotel's
to
telling
go
us.
inside to go to sleep.
The hotel's telling us that they don't want you here anymore. Did you ask us for quarters?
Anybody that spoke English that was decent, I just came back from the store and.
She don't even know. She don't even know, bro.
Anyways,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
okay.
exactly.
We can't really.
Exactly. Yeah,
it's about what's going on.
I'm just gonna go to sleep.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go to sleep.
Okay.
Can I just go to sleep?
Well, the hotel's telling us that they want to trespass.
No, that's not what the hotel said.
That's what they told us.
I just heard the hotel.
That wasn't the hotel. It was some just hanging out from the store. The hotel is the
Look
girl in the green
at the
shirt.
hotel. We're
What's the
talking
hotel?
to you.
I
We're
know.
talking to me.
Yeah, but I got to do what the hotel's asking me.
That's not what it said.
That's what they said, man. That's
Yeah.
That's the whole reason that I'm here.
Yeah. And this boy right here talking about fuck me, fuck my rights.
Not fuck your
That's
rights.
what he said. That's
did-
what he
he
said.
didn't say
No,
fuck your
that's what he said. That's what he said.
That's not what he said.
Oh yeah, that's what he care about my rights, right? That's all right, man.
Is he local?
You from Atlanta?
The foreman?
Yo, but you just said my rights, though, right?
No,
My
he
rights
was just talking about your lawyer
rights.
because you're not.
Can I get my places?
No, we
Can I
can't go
get
inside
my
right now.
camera and stuff?
We can't go inside right now.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Fuck my rights, right?
Shut up, bro.
That's what you said.
Shut up, bro.
I'll call my fucking lawyer on that shit. What? You think I'm not protected? What? You think I'm not somebody?
That's not what he said.
Yo, no, that's not right. That you do what
Come
you
on,
do
bro.
to me.
Dude, can't.
So we can't.
I was good to you. I was good to you.
Diego,
I was good to
listen
you.
to what I'm saying.
If we can change this, we can change this.
Diego,
Let's change it. Let's change it.
you're not listening to what I'm saying.
Let's change it.
To your mic in about
Can
3
we
seconds.
change it?
Change what?
Let's change everything.
Diego, what are you talking about?
Him, he knows.
Okay.
Let's
He's trying to
change
get
it.
your information because the hotel wants you trespassed. That's it.
Let's change everything.
That doesn't make any sense.
He knows what I'm talking about. Let's change it
Once
everything.
again, you're going to be trespassed from the hotel, so you're going to figure out somewhere else to go.
Okay.
Call the problem with us.
Okay, but here's the thing.
Yeah.
Okay, you got to find somewhere to go. You can't drive anywhere, etc.
That's right.
You gotta call
But
him, bro.
you are not gonna tell me.
Caleb. Tranquilo,
And
bro.
I'm a person. I don't want to hear what you have to say, sir.
Okay.
We already heard it. We already heard it. We already heard it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this causing a general disturbance for you to the point where you're willing to write a statement?
He was.
Hold on.
Don't approach me. He was yelling at me in the lobby
Okay.
when I told him to not approach a female that was sitting in the lobby.
Okay.
That's his second female that he tried to approach tonight. I've already had several
That's
people
fine.
talk to him.
Okay.
He's not
That's fine.
complying at this point, and he's sitting there yelling at me.
Okay.
So
Would
yeah.
you
I'm sorry,
would you be willing
I'm
to fill out
sorry.
a statement?
Huh?
Would you be willing to fill out a statement?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Disorderly intox? Cool.
According to investigators, officers observed signs that Diego was under the influence of alcohol during the encounter. Authorities stated that hotel management had received multiple complaints regarding his behavior throughout the evening. During the investigation, officers informed Diego that hotel staff no longer wanted him on the property and requested that he leave the premises. Investigators say officers repeatedly attempted to explain the situation and obtain identifying information while Diego continued arguing with officers. According to police, hotel employees later confirmed that Diego had been involved in several disturbances and had approached other guests while intoxicated. Officers subsequently advised Diego that he was being trespassed from the property. Authorities stated that Diego refused multiple requests to leave and continued creating a disturbance in the presence of hotel staff and guests. As a result, officers placed Diego under arrest.
What bad?
All right, man.
What
So, Diego,
No, calm down.
chill. Don't come over here. Do not come over here. You're going to go too.
Yeah, two fucking options. Hey, give my phone. Give my phone. Right here. Hey,
Oh, no, I got
it was Darius. Give my phone. Give my phone.
Stop me.
You gonna snap my phone up me?
Yeah, you can't have your phone. You're under arrest.
I'm not doing
No.
anything on my
No.
phone.
It's his property. It's going to go with
You
him.
can have it, Ladarius.
That's gonna go with you.
You can have it, Ladarius.
Okay, sir.
It's going to go with
That's
you.
my property can have to
No.
Ladarius.
No, it's going to go
My
with you.
property
It's
can
going to go
have
with you.
to him.
It's going to go with
That's
you.
my property.
Uh-huh.
I told my property can go to him.
You know what? You're right.
You know you can.
You know,
you
you're
can.
right. No,
you know you
I can, but I don't have to.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a favor to you. So we're going to get you into a car. All right?
All right, Ladarius, call.
Yep. He's been okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, come Hovely.
I don't know who that is.
And the fact that he is gonna arrest me is against my legal right.
It's not.
It is against
It's
my
not.
legal right because I'm not doing anything.
You are.
I was talking to you.
It's disorderly intoxication.
No, it's
You've
not.
created a disturbance
No,
here. And you've been refusing to leave because we keep trying to explain this to you and you're just wondering. So. All right.
Darius.
According to court records, Diego was charged with disorderly intoxication and felony trespass after allegedly refusing to leave the hotel property. The case was later resolved with a guilty finding for disorderly intoxication, while the trespass charge was ultimately dismissed by prosecutors.